Right, so Hunchback. Hunchback. I've had another another map update from Fairlane, and he's put borders in. Look, on the maps that he's done, he's put borders in, and he ended up becoming dangerous. I wasn't dangerous. I was a chicken. I just played the game. This is great if we don't expand what Hunchback does. So what I'm going to do is let's export this lot and then let's bring it in and see what it looks like. Let's put it in there. Go. So I've just exported them. Right, let's find where the maps are. Right, so let's do a quick remming out and changing. So Hunchback 2 template, Fairlane 2022 10 13. Yeah. So I'll grab that. Oh, nah. I'll grab that. Not that one. That one. It's a pity we can't make these labels. Save me have to do this. Just change a label. Right, I think that's it. So let's start at map. What are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start at 6. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That's not good. I must have missed something. What did I miss? That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So what did I miss? Tiles, map, chart, attributes. Ooh. Oh, the character set's all screwed up. Character set's all screwed up, mate. Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame. Yeah, the first 16 characters have been reassigned. Yeah, the first 15 characters have been reassigned. That was the last one, wasn't it? Yeah, these characters have been reassigned. When it shrinks the map. Oh right, does it? Does it? So when you add it, rejuggles all these characters about. That's a shame. Why does it reorder the characters then? That's a bit daft. Reordering the characters. Oh. I mean, there's. I see what Fairlane's done. He's got some new tiles in there. 4 new tiles. Is that 4 new tiles? Yeah, it's these characters here because they've got mixed up now. Well, it doesn't matter if the tiles are wrong. What can we do? What are you guys talking about? What on earth are you guys talking about? Oh, I don't know how we can try and quickly fix this. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's such a shame. Let's see. Can I insert a character there? Can I insert the characters there? Right, let's open another window up. So I need that little lot. Right. Copy. Oh, why is it not paste? Why doesn't it want to paste? Doesn't want to paste, does it? Let's try again. Copy. Nope, that's not going to work either. I can't insert any characters. It won't let me. It won't let me paste. I've copied it from here, but it won't let me paste. Yeah, it just won't let. It's not registering that. Oh. There we go. Right, let's try that. So if I get rid of those to there. That's going to get rid of the tiles. Rats. Rats. Okay, let's try this then. So we're there. Let's cut that and paste them there. But the tiles didn't come back. Oh. Yeah. Save it and then try. Right, let's save this as something else. Right, let's see if we can do something about this. So, this character set should be the same of what we've got here. So let's reduce that. Let's just compress everything. Right, so if I do this, and copy, and then in here, paste, right, that's pasted up to there, get rid of that lot. We end up with that. But that's going to screw up the tiles. Oh, the map's going to get screwed up. Because I was going to do this. I was going to see if we could do this. Copy that. Paste it. Oops, no, that's pasted the ugh. Why is it always trying to decompress? Ugh, I give up. Give up. This tool is brilliant until it's not. What? Oh, no, because the thing is, if let's see, if we move. So we're going to move the BTL to the second character. So this needs to be there. So cut that, paste. It's missing in the tile, look. It's just missing in the tile. You've just emailed a new one. Okay. Can you hear Nico snoring? Can you hear Nico snoring? Oh, by the way, 9:30, guys. You need to remind me at 9:30. B. I mean, that's solved it, mate. But if we do this, that could have solved it. Right, hang on. Let's save that. Export. Right. Change. Right, we'll get rid of. We'll get rid of it. Get rid of that lot. And we'll change these to B. Right. Right, let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. So he can't go past there. Nico's snoring. Right. But what we're gonna try and do, right, is we're gonna try and see if we can extend Hunchback's reach. Yeah. So Quasi's reach. So when he hits wall hack, yeah. So when he hits the end of the stage, yeah, there, we're gonna see if we can get Quasi to go further on, yeah. And same when he comes back, if we go. So that's what today's task was, because then it means that we can use all the map space. So we need to So I was thinking it was going to be here. Yeah, here, right? Because it's this is it, right? So when you check for 0, we just tell it to stop scrolling, and that's it, right? We tell it to stop scrolling, and then that's it. So we put quasi back, but what we can do, yeah, is say if instead of doing that, I wonder if it's going to be as simple as that. Because if it's going to be as simple as that, that means the stream's over. Come on then, Quasi. Show, do your stuff. Oh no! What planning? What planning? Okay, let's take that one out. Let's just try it the other way. Oh, it couldn't have been that easy. No, it couldn't have been that easy. Right then. You can swap characters in Charpad by selecting a character and then control-click the character you want to swap with. All right. I did not know that. Did anybody else know that? Right. Okay, so we've now extended Quasi's reach. Yeah. I was planning an entire. Anyway. Really short stream, yes. Right, so I think then, seeing as that we've done that, we need to. So we need to now, because Quasi's just going to fall off the edge of the screen. Yeah, yeah, he's going to just fall off the edge of the screen. So we need to block him there, and block him to the side to stop him just wandering off the screen. But now we've got the full range of the screen. It means that we can do the maps better. We just got to make sure that something is there to stop him falling off the screen. Now you have time to start the racing game. I haven't given up. I'm just got to think about it, because it's only 2 months. It's a 2-month game jam, and we can't do something that's going to take us months and months and months and months and months, because we'll never get it finished. Right. So I think we need to start. We need to start putting the collisions in. We need to start detecting what's around us. We need to start detecting what's around us, yeah? Now, the way I did it in Hunchback 1, I looked at it and I couldn't see how I could make it any better. So let's grab Hunchback 1. Because I was trying to see if I could make it any better, and I couldn't see if I could make the collision system any better. So let me see if I can find it. There we go, collisions. So this is where we evaluate the surroundings, yeah? We'll have a platformer ready for the next game jam. Yeah. So this is the collision system, yeah? And basically we just check what's around us. And then we just store it. And then we just store whatever we find in this array here, yeah? So we could just swipe this and then put it in and then see if we could see if it, because this is self-contained by it looks on it. So we send in the sprite number. And it works out what's around us, and then we can use that. So let's swipe that. Let's swipe that. So I'll go once I copied it across. We'll go through it, yeah. We'll go through it, so all the new people are on it. We'll see what we're doing. Right, so that's Hunchback. Let's get rid of that. So I've just copied it across. There it is. Lib collisions. So we've got a self-contained library. Of course, we're going to have to change this. So let's get rid of that. We do not have a sprite library anymore. No, we don't. So this is, where did we put that? Game sprites. I bet it's in there. Well, let's get screen X. Yes, so let's do that. So we'll import game sprites, and then we'll change this. And I think game sprites is namespace sprite, isn't it? Yeah, sprites. Right, let's do that. Oh, we've got to get Y. Oh, right, okay. Did we do get Y? No, we didn't. Right, we need to get Y. So we'll go in here. Sprite library, get Y. There we go. Get Y. So sprites array, that's what we need there. That can go in there. Scroll sprite Y delta. Yes, because we are not scrolling up and down. Right, so that can be sprites now. Can you use the char material as a blocking object? Yes, that's what we're going to be doing. We put that in. We have a text file, don't we? There. So it'd be 1 is the blocking, yeah? So material type 1 is a solid block, yeah? Right, so back to collisions. Right, have we got any other errors in here? Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. When we set the map up, map. Yeah, it's in there. Right, okay. We're going to need to export that to collision, I think. Here. But maybe we should put that in the map. Because it's all part of the map, isn't it? Maybe this should be in the map. So we'll put that in the map. We'll stick that in there. And then we'll do the same as what we've done up here. So export screen, character attribute. Let's have a look. Export screen, character attribute, which is there. So we will do the same thing. We will do the same thing, but here. So this is not going to be that anymore. It's going to be that. Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me. Oh, Gary, thank you very much for the bits, mate. Is it worth also storing info on whether we are allowed to step into the next location on each direction? Yes, since you know what's around you at this point instead of processing the data again later. Yeah, yes, we could have a material type that's the exit point, yeah, which I was thinking about anyway, because Fairlane's put a tile that seems to signify the start and end, so we could definitely do that. Right, let me just sort this initialize out. So get material code, that's the one I want. So that stores that there, and then +1, that stores that there. Well, it could be a shield, it could be a decoration, I don't know. because there was two, I thought it was a start and end point, but we can definitely have a tile that specifies the end point. So when we get there and we detect, we could use that as material type. I mean, to be honest, we could put that in here, couldn't we? Because we got conveyor belt. Should we put something here that says so F is the exit of the level, that when you touch it, that's it, we're out. Something like that. Right, so let's change the collision so we're not using that. So I bet we've got some errors now. Yes, we have. So this is going to be now maps. Right, so we'll do this anyway. Get rid of the errors. Have they gone? Have they gone? No, they haven't gone. Why haven't they gone? Hang on. Did I call it maps? Oh, map. Map. Right, that should, all the errors should be gone. So we should be able to include now that in here. And it's not game, it's lib. Right, so we should still be working because we're not calling anything. But it doesn't like get Y on sprites. Oh, I said get screen Y. So what's get Y? Get screen Y will be the same. Subtract 0. But we'll do this. We'll do this. Just for consistency. Oops. Should be alright now. Right. Here we go. So, we are not testing for collision. So, what we need to do now is, once we've done our move, so if we go into logic. Let's get rid of that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that for the moment. Where's logic? So that's quasi. Have we done logic yet? I don't think we've done logic yet. Is everything being driven off here still? Yes, it is. Right. So, we read the controls. We animate quasi. So read the controls actually performs the update, I think. Yeah, turn right. So we could evaluate what's around us after we've done the turning. Because we do a subtract. Because everything's driven off the array. We don't need to update. We don't need to update the sprite to find out what's about us, because we're using the array to do that. So we could evaluate what's around us every time we move. Now, what's the downside of that? What's the downside to that? Can't think of one. Can't think of one. We ought to put, no, I'm going to put it in the main cycle. I'm going to get it to do the testing. Do the testing here. Oh, we're not calling it lib collisions. I think we just called it collision, didn't we? Yeah. And it's evaluate the surrounding sprite. And so we need to do LDY hash I need a sprite number. Oh, it's game constants. It's game constants, isn't it? Okay, boy. Where's your sprite number? Well, that's not it. There it is. So we load in Quasi's high red sprite and then we evaluate what's around it. So that will...
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Rosterini, thank you for the gift sub, mate. Welcome. Welcome. Didn't see you lurking there, mate. Didn't see you lurking. Right, so we should be able to see what we are acquiring. So, we definitely have material types on this, don't we? That's not the one. That's the one, isn't it? We definitely have material types on here, don't we? Yes, we do. Right. Right, so let's see. So we'll put a breakpoint there. Isn't that the point of lurking? Yeah. Right, we'll put a breakpoint there, and we're gonna find out where the memory is for it. Ooh. Oh, it's Is it a game? Is it? Oh, I bet it's constant, isn't it? Yes, it's a constant. Don't need that. Right. There we go. 8CED sounds like where I need to go. 8C. There's a keyboard library. Here we go. So that's where we're looking at. 8CED. Right, let's write that down. 8CED. That's what we are evaluating. So we'll get rid of that and we'll run debugger. Zendar, see you later. See you later. Right, let's go there. Go. 8CED. So this is where we're evaluating what's around us, right? So let's just make sure we understand how it works. So the first 4 sprites is what's left of us, behind us and to the right, and then the next 2 bytes is what's beneath. Yeah, so we've got 0 left, 0 behind, 0, 0. So behind us is nothing, but look, we are 1 and 1 underneath, which is here. So we're definitely checking that we've got a solid block beneath us. Yeah. So if I F11 that, right? So we know that we know that it's working, yeah. So I'm F11 in it. So if I move, right, these numbers should change, especially when we get to the fire, right? So these 2 should change. They are 3 and 3. So R is 3 fire. Yes, there's 3, which is fire. Alright, let's carry on until we get to the ladder. Let's see if it picks up the ladder. Oh, I got some breakpoints still in here. Well, that didn't help, did it? Better, we're back to there. Right, let's see. Does the ladder get picked up? So the ladder should come into there. Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 is climbing. Yes. So the right-hand side has detected that we are on ladders. So if we carry on going over, then it's 2 behind, and then 2, and then it goes 1 because that's the wall. Right, so the detection system seems to be working. So let's try and explain the collision system. So what we're doing is we're providing Y as the sprite number, yeah. So then we work out what's the screen location. So the screen location, so if we go to there, it then gets the X value of the sprite that we're looking for, stores it away. Then we get rid of the delta, and this is the sprite. This is the sprite from the edge of the screen delta. And then we get the Y, and we do the same thing with Y. We get rid of the delta. That gives us our X and Y point. Then, with the X, we divide it by 2, 4, 8. Divide it by 8. Y gets divided by 8. and that gives us our character X and Y. Yeah. So once we've got our character X and Y, we can work out, get the actual screen location, which is basically taking the X and Y of what we've got and converting that into the screen location, depending on whether it's screen 2 or screen 1. Because remember, we flip screens. Yeah. So once we've got our screen location, then we can start grabbing everything that's around us. Yeah. So we load the character. We find out what the material type is, and then we store it in. So that's the left hand. That's the left hand block. Then we iron X and iron Y. So now we're getting the block behind us. So there's 2 blocks behind us. And then we convert that. Then we get the second block that's behind us, convert that. Then we get the block to the right and convert that into the material code. And then we do the same for the underneath. So we load Y with 41, which is a row down +1. And then we get the 2 at the bottom. So now we're doing that. We should be able to stop ourselves walking. Let's stop ourselves walking into a block. So to stop ourselves walking into a block, have I got any constants in here? Oh, we changed these, didn't we? We've changed these now. Let's make sure we reflect. Right, empty block, solid block. We'll call that climbing block now. Climbing block. Deadly block. 4 is conveyor block. 5 is collapsing. Map timer power up. Well, no, we're saying now that this is the exit block. So 15's the exit block. Aha! This is what I was looking for. That. Right. So I'm in game controls. So I'm going to change this. Let's grab that and that. And we'll put them in here. Because now I want to do this. So this is let's do that. You don't need to apologise. Andy. Oh dear. That's what you guys are there for. Right, so map block. So now we can say this is an empty block. Solid. Climbing, deadly, conveyor, exit, and get rid of the block as well. I'm sure, never mind. I'm sure there was a quick way of doing that. Still haven't figured out this multiple selecting. Right. So map block, and then we will have yes, mate. Oh, thank you. Thank you. What's he doing? Is he awake? No, he's absolutely spark out, isn't he? Yeah, I've had them both for don't know how long. Well, Aston's just come to his fifth. Hang on, let me just check. Let me just make sure I get his age right. He's just had his birthday. Just had his birthday. Not last week, week before. Hang on, let's just check that I've got his birthday right. Aston, there he is. Aston, birthday, right. Birthday. He's gone downstairs, hasn't he? Oh, it's Aston that's gone downstairs. Aston's gone downstairs. So Aston is... And Nico's gone downstairs now, hasn't he? Aston was born in 2007, so that will make him 17 will be 10. It's 15. It's just made him 15. He looks more sprightly this week. Yes, the vet did say that this morning when I took him round, that he was more like himself. I mean, they know him. It's bad when your vet knows your dog too well. It means I've been spending too much time there. So Aston's just had his 15th birthday. Right. Oh, you made it up the stairs. You made it up. Don't fall over. You still got your balance. Yeah? You still got your balance. Don't fall over, mate. You alright? Whoa. Nico Cam's not down there anymore. It's round there. Nico Cam. We watch you sleep. Yes, we watch you sleep. What's the matter? What's the matter? Yeah. Keep your balance. Keep your balance. Whoa. Careful. Yeah, so you're telling me you want to go for a wee now? Hey? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Right, I need to take him out. I won't be back. I won't be long. Hang on. So you can watch Aston, keep him company. Come on then. Come on. And we are back. What have I missed? Oh, 6. Yeah, ask Nico eats anything that's put in front of him. He eats everything. Alright. Night night, Gary. I'll see you soon. Right. Right, next eye drops is 11:30 if I'm still on. So remind me 11:30 if we're still on. He'll settle down. Right, so next thing. What we doing now? What's this? This is the collision array, isn't it? So collision array. Collision array, no, collision index. Oh. Yeah, you'll be in bed. Well, in I think it's 2 weeks. Hang on. Let's find out. Yeah, 2 weeks today. 2 weeks today, I'll be working US hours, so there'll be no streams for that week because I'll be working US hours. And not only working US hours, I'll be working West Coast US hours. So I'll be working until midnight. So there won't be any streams that week. So I'll remind you when I get closer. Right. So collision index. I think we can get away with that. I think we can get away with that name. And then put that lot in there. So we don't need that, we just need left, left center, right center, right, left bottom, right bottom. You'll be sleeping US hours that week. Up half the night watching. Oh, you're watching the baseball series. All right, okay. Left bottom. Yes. So yeah, 31st. I'm working US time, West Coast US time for a week. Unfortunately, I can't get away with it. I can't get away. So we'll not call that. We'll call that material types. Right. So to see if we can. So that what we'll do is we'll test that side. So the left hand side to see if there's a block, and then to stop if there's a block there. Yeah. So we're going to have to do that in quasi, I think, because if we're going left, yeah, left, we need to check that we haven't got a block on the left center. Well, we'll do left first and see. We'll see. So before we can do anything, we need to. So we'll go LDY hash game things dot collision. Why is that not picking it up? Game constants. Collision index. Game constants. They are in that. Yeah, they are in that. God, dear. Sometimes this thing works and sometimes it doesn't. Anyway. So collision index dot left. So we're going to test the left hand side. So then we're going to load collisions. I think it's collision more than collisions. Let's grab it because I think I've closed it. Yeah. And it's there. What's on the sprite? Comma white. So we are going to say it is collision. Yeah, collision. Yeah. So we are going to say here, right, if it's a block, I think I called it map block, didn't I? See, it's not there. It's not there. Map block dot solid. So if it's equal to a solid block, then we're going to go to exit, and our exit is here, that. So we'll use that one. If it's not a solid block, then we'll subtract from X and we'll do the same sort of things. Right, let's see if that stops us. Ooh. Where's that in? Oh, lib collisions. Oh, it's because we've changed all the names, haven't we? Right, let's grab that. Right, let's find where all the... It's got to be in here somewhere. There. So that dot right center. Timer power block. Ooh, we didn't do that, did we? What is this? Oh, did we hit a power up? That can be remmed out in the moment. We're not even anywhere there. And we'll get rid of that now, so we don't need that. Right, let's go back. Let's try. Ooh. Missing end token. Right, we should stop. There we go. So that is stopping us going that way. Nice. Alright, so we'll do the same for the other side. So we'll use the same... that, so going right, so this is right, but this time we're going to look at the right and same thing. Right, see if it stops us going that way. Well, that's an issue. So that is when I've got my finger still firmly planted on it. And it's scrolling. Scroll should stop. Okay, so the scroll should stop. What am I going to do about that then? Yeah, I'm just thinking, so basically if we come here, like that should work no matter what. So we'll do the same here as well. That should work no matter what. So let's try it. So we start scrolling. There we go. That's better. Right, we'll do the other way just to make sure. Yep. Yep. Right. Okay. So we need to be able to let's go to the original. Let's go to the original. What did we do? What did we do? Yes, that's it. That's right, mate. So, so now we're talking about going up, yeah? So we've got right, okay, fire is jump. Fire is jump. We will get the fire in a minute. So going up now. So we changed we changed the animation when we're over anything climbing. Is the fireball supposed to keep stopping at the limit of the ladder? Yes. Yes, it was. That's how it was defined. So what we got to do now is oh, where is it now? Oh, it's there. What we got to do now is check for the ladder. Yeah. So when we go on the ladder like that, see, Quasi's still running as if I keep my finger on the button. But as soon as I let go, it knows that the ladder is underneath him and goes into the ladder animation. Right, so that's what we need to do. Now the animation is only happens when we are right, so it only happens when we're going up. So, I'm not sure. How we're going to do this. Let's just set it right. So when we're in stop mode, This is it. This idle. This is the idle. So when we're idle, if we check before we go to idle, whether if we've got a ladder underneath us. Oops. So if we check left center, I suppose. And climbing, then set animation as climbing. So we'll do that. We also need to check the right center as well. Climbing, set animation as climbing. If it's not any of those, then we're idle. So if we grab that and then put that there, we can then game constants. We should be able to find climbing. Here we go. Quasi climb HR. So now the thing is, I think this is going to make him animate. I think. So it's doing the same, but as soon as I let go, yeah, he's being animated. So in the animation routine, we need to check. We need to check whether we're in climbing mode or not. So question is, do we set a flag to say he's climbing, or do we use what we've got around us? I suppose it's quicker. I suppose it's quicker to set a flag. So let's get a flag in here. Right, sprite array. Have we got anything? Just stick in there. Quasi. Here we go. Quasi. Oh, we've got one. Flag climbing. Get in there, John. Right. So there we go. And we will put him that he's not climbing there. Right, so in the animation now, we need to stop the animation. We need to stop it. But we still need to update. We still need to update. Now, how we're going to do that? Oh, okay. Okay, we could. Yes. Right, okay. We could do this. Right, so LDA storage dot quasi dot I think it was flag climbing. There we go. Now on I think is 128 if my suspicions are right. Or maybe not. Like, where'd I get it from? Game constants dot off. Game constants. Hang on about you. Can you see on and off in there? Or is it in constants? Ah! Right, okay. It's in there. Right, let's go back here because it's not game constants. It's just off. And on. Yeah, off and on. Right. So, when we animate, we could test this and say, if it's on, branch shift minus 2 here. And then we'll use different mechanics to for the climbing. So we know, and what I'm going to do, what I was thinking of doing is using the height. So if we LDA sprites dot get y, so LDY hash quasi high res sprite number, get y. So y is, if I remember, is in A. Right. So let's divide it by 2, then divide it by 4. So we'll do the same as this here. Yeah. Right, let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. Right. Aha! He stopped. Right. Nice. So now we need to do the up and down. We need to do the up and down. We need to do the up and down. So game controls. Evaluate joystick. Check left. Check right. Then we need to check up and check down. Okay, so we'll call this check up. Right, lib2 dot check up. Go on, check down. Oh, plus. So we check down if it's not that, so it come out. Now we check for the last frame, but we are not setting the animation for going up or down. It's already done, so we can get rid of that. We can get rid of that and that. But first things first, we need to LDA right, because we need to check that he's climbing. If he's not climbing, we can't go up, yeah? If he's not climbing, if he's not in climb mode, we can't go up. So then we check. In fact, we need to do that afterwards, don't we? There. Yes. So we check to see if he's going up. If he's going up, then we see if he's climbing. If he's not climbing, then we exit. If he is climbing, then we're going to say to go up. Right, so back in here, we now need another routine that says to go up. So we'll just grab that. Right, to go up. Now, we've checked that he's climbing, so we don't need to do this. So math subtract from y. So we need to create another one of those. So, what? I think we've got Y-frac. I think. But I'm not sure we need it. Right, I'm going to rev that out because I don't think we need it. Right, let's just do that. So we then subtract from Y. We don't need to get the...
Ladies and gentlemen, 6502 Kebab has entered the chat.
No! The man himself has arrived. It's been a while, mate. It's been a while. Don't think we need to do anything else. That's this. That I think that's it. I think that's it. First time it's been used correctly. Yeah. People have been imitating you, mate. Been imitating you. Right, let's try that. Do we go up? Do we go up? Well, we went up. we went up. I think we need to we went up, but we didn't animate. We did not animate. And that's worrying. So that sets the base rate. So climbing, load, get Y, end it with that, and then set the sprite animation, which is there. So why did that not animate? Hang on, I've divided it by 4, haven't I? Ooh, let's do it raw. Let's do it raw. Maybe divide by 4 is just too much. Right, go up. Well, he's not animating. Let's put a breakpoint there. Alright, Fairlane. See you later, yeah? Oh, you've been a busy boy. How's it going? It's not too bad. Has Shalom stopped streaming? He's on a break. He's on a break. He'll be back. He's just on a break. He's burnt his feet. Really? I didn't know that. Right. Okay, let's find out why it's not animating going up. So we'll go across. Oh, that breakpoint's still in. Right. F11. Right, we'll go across. Come on. Go across. Oh, they're still in. I'm going to have to take these breakpoints out that I keep leaving wandering about. Go on. So I let go. Right. So it's gone through the first time. Load Y, which is at B9, and it with 3. Jump, set the animation. Okay. So it's set the animation. So now, right, so it's running. It's definitely running through there. But we need to go up. We need to go up. So how am I going to get it to go up? A909, A909. Go to 8909. Right, so at B9, so we'll say that that's going to be B7. B7. Right, F11. Oh, it changed. But now that it's screwed up. Screwed up good and proper. Well, that was bust. We'll get rid of that one. No, that's the one we want to keep. But we'll get rid of that one because we don't need it. And we'll get rid of that one because we don't need it. And get rid of that one as well. Well, that was a bust. Let's try that again. Oh, burnt feet. Oh, we haven't got the... We're rewriting it, mate. We're rewriting the engine because it was a mess, the other one. So we're trying to... We're just trying to rewrite it, but we've learned...
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh. Say hello, who's just followed? Say hello. Don't be shy. Hello, John Lego. Welcome. Welcome. He's gonna get confused, my bot, because he's got John in his name. Hello, Aileen 9710. Welcome. I told you my bot's gonna get really confused now. Because he's got John in the name. Oh, I'm going to have to look at the bot, see if we can make it a bit more intelligent. Right. Let's figure out what's going on. So we get to the ladder and it's starting to set the point. It's starting to set the point, which is right. So why is it not animating when we go up? Right, so if I go up, it's not animating, is it? It's not animating. So that's when the climb stopped, yeah? That's when the climb has stopped. But it's not animating. So my get why must not be working. Can anybody remember what the address was? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. We will find out. We will find out. Right, let's get over there. There we go. Right, 8909. Go to 8909. Right, so this is the number that we're looking for. This is the number that we're looking for. There. That one there. So we'll take that breakpoint out. And we'll restart it. And we'll see if it says we're going up. So 8909. So we go up. And it's not changing. And that's why we're not animating. That is why we're not animating. Okay. Oh. John, you idiot. Plank. Oh. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Honest. Nothing to see. Honest. Right, here we go. Do we animate? Yes, we do! But he goes really, really fast. So now we need to put the divisors in. Slow him down a bit. Right, let's try him again. What was it? Didn't you see? Stackbats, didn't you see what the problem was? There was no problem. There was no problem, honest. OSP. Right. Right, that's a better climb. That's a better climb. I'm just wondering if I should add another one in there. Right. That could be a better climb, but now we need to SP. You tattletale, mate. I don't make mistakes like that. I don't make mistakes like that, honest. Right. So we've got him animating. I'm not too sure if he's too slow now. Right? You wasn't looking. Mrs. was distracting you with a story about bin. Oh no, don't clip it. Just, distracting you with a story about bins. Right. Okay, where do we evaluate? Where do we evaluate? Where? Oh, it's only on idle, isn't it? Right. So, right. Okay. So we've got a bit of a logic problem, yeah, because we only evaluate when he's climbing, when we stop, yeah, when we at idle, yeah, that's the only time we evaluate whether he's climbing. I hope your other half ain't watching the stream, mate. Right, so we have a bit of an issue. Right, okay. We have a bit of an issue because we are not we're not turning the flag off. So I hope she's not watching this. You'll be in so much trouble. Right, so we're not turning the flag off until he goes to idle. Now the problem is we can't do that. So we need to evaluate. We need to evaluate when he goes up. Yeah. We need to evaluate when he goes up. But I think what we need to do is create a function that sets the flags. Yeah. Create a function that sets the flags. I think. I'm just wondering when's the best time to do it. I wonder if the best time to do it is when it's being animated. When it's being animated, we check to see if the climbing attribute's still there. And if it is, let's do that, because that's probably the best place to put it, I think. So if we grab this and then go to the animation part, which is here. Because the collisions routines is going to be run every cycle. At the moment it is, yeah. So what we can do is that's this here. But set animation as if it's not, then we need to change. So if we load off and store it in storage.quasi.flag climbing, we can still set the sprite attribute, But that should stop him climbing. Let's try it. So he's climbing, goes up, and then he stops. Right, okay. He stopped. He stopped too early, so instead of testing left center, we'll test left bottom. But no, it's got to be left center and right center, so it's too early. It's too early. Hang on, was it too early or was it just me being a muppet? Up. Right. So it's definitely switched off there. Right. So let's do left bottom. Left bottom. And right bottom. Let's try that. Just needs one more character, doesn't it? Right, up we go. Oh, no. Because left bottom is here. Oh dear. Maybe. Maybe we need to put the left bottom in as well. So we'll just double it up, yeah? So left bottom. And bottom. Right. So that should allow us to go up and continue going up until we've run out. Here we go. There we go. That's the sort of thing we want. So now we need to do down. Yeah? To do down. How are we going to do down? Okay, how are we going to do down? I still think it's on setting the idle animation. Of course, yeah. I think we need to... Yeah, I think we need to do what we've just done on that bit. Is if we copy that and then do bottom, bottom again, let's see if it does it. Alright, stack bats, we'll see you later, yeah? See you on Wednesday. Right, so if we go up and then across and then come back, oh, it's not seeing us, it's not seeing us. Okay, maybe we've gone too high, maybe we've gone too high, maybe we need to bring it down here, maybe we need to bring it down. So let's add X. Add to Y. So, Y. 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 Don't need that. Rem that out just in case. Right, so when we turn off, we will add to Y. So bringing him back, bringing Quasi back down. Hopefully that will put us in the ballpark where we see. Right, so we go up. That's it. Oh, it's bringing him down again. Oh, it's bringing him down. That's bringing him down every time we do the animation. Oh. Okay. So, So let's just check what's going on. So if I go up and I stop, that means the climbing flag is switched off, but the animation is still running. So the animation is still running, but we've stopped. I think we need to do it when we stop. Alright? Because now it's... Yeah. Right, where do we stop it? Because the animation's still running. Oh, is the animation still running because it's in climbing mode? Hang on. Go up, move across, come back, go up. Ah, that's why. Because we flagged it as... Yeah, we're losing one every time, so we can't put it there. That's a shame. So it's one too high. When it comes through here, it's one too high. Okay. Okay. Right, so we're going to have to right, we're going to have to create create a function is oh yeah, we haven't implemented gravity yet, have we? Yeah, because he would have dropped down. Completely forgot about gravity. funny noises coming from around there. Yes, right. I'm still gonna write this function because this code has been used many times. Yeah, so let's write this function. So can oh, hang on. Yeah, can we climb? And we'll grab this. Right, so what we're going to say is carry clear equals no climb, and carry set equals climb. So if we can't climb, then we need to do byte 224. 24? Is that the 0 page one? Yep, 24. Byte 24. Or we set the carry so we can do it. So here we can now do this JSR can we climb, and then we just do branch if carry set to set animation to climb in, which is doing that. So we'll take that out and we'll just grab that because we've got it somewhere else as well, haven't we? Here. So we can put it there as well. Yeah. Get rid of all this. And that. So this function can be used elsewhere. But yeah, you're right, we would have overcome this with gravity, but really don't want to. What I want to do is here, before we do the update, question is, when do we do the control? When do we read the controls? We read the controls first before we do the evaluate. So we read the controls, we move it up, then we evaluate. But then we read the controls. And that's the problem. We read the controls, but we don't evaluate the thing. So we can do that here. So we can do that here and go and do the same thing like that. But instead of carry set, we do carry clear and we just go exit. So JSR quasi, can we climb? So we are evaluating, then we go up. Let's see if that sorts it out. No, it didn't. It still went too far. We'll wait until we've put gravity in. Where have I just changed that? Controls. So that was a bust. Right, so we need to put gravity in. Right, let's get to the top here. So we'll put some. Let's get some things to do. Right, so we need to add gravity, then add climbing down. What else? Next stream. Right, so we've got it. We've got him climbing up. We've got him changing the animation because the animation is definitely doing it, and it seems to be fast enough as well to match the climb. Hang on, let's go to map 1. That's got a big ladder on it, hasn't it? Let's go map 1. There we go. It's got a big ladder on this one, so we can... There we go. No, that's too slow. The animation's too slow. So we need to speed up the animation. Animate's at the top, isn't it? Initialize, animate. Here. Right, it's too slow. Let's try that again. That's better. That's better. Right. So, to make the down work, we've got to apply gravity. Yeah? So we're going to have to do the gravity system, and then we can do the climb down. Yeah, because then when gravity pulls him down and hits a block, then we'll be able to see that there's something there, and we'll be able to climb down. So that's what we're going to do on the next stream. Yeah. So we're starting to build out what's around him. So as we've got with can we climb, there's another one where can we fall. Yeah, we'll create another one where it's can we fall, and then that'll be the gravity. That'll be the gravity engine, and then we can right. So once we've done climb down, then the next thing will be ability to jump. What else is going to be? Then we can work out the death logic, because now we've got the ability to find out what's around us. We can then start checking for deadly stuff, what we call them, deadly. So that's what we'll do. That's what we'll start. So we'll start with adding gravity in, because then that will help us do the climb down first on the next stream. So that's what we're going to do on the next stream. We're going to add gravity, and hopefully we'll do these two, and then we can figure out how we're going to do the ability to jump. And I'm thinking we can do it similar to what we did with Nicos Run, and have that logic in there, because Nicos Run's jump routine was better than Quasi's. All right, so thank you very much, guys, for joining me, and we will continue this on Wednesday. And also, we'll have a chat on Discord about the game jam and see if we've got any bandwidth to do it. All right. Well, thanks a lot, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the Patreons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.